Hewlin Fletcher. I'm 83 years old.
My name is Charlene Browning Mims, and I'm 82 years old. My heart was beating like 100 miles an hour and everything. Well, it wasn't heart beating, it murmur. And Dr. Seabolt said that I needed to have the TAVR. It was just relief. I mean, total relief. And everybody had just done so good with me. You know, they had worked with me so good. And all the nurses and all the whole team was just wonderful. Now I had my regular doctor listen to my heartbeat and the murmur and everything. I said, "You can't even hear the murmur now, can you?"
Well, over the years I was just slowing down, and got to where I couldn't. Well, I like to go in the field and work with the cows. I'd walk out there, maybe 50 or 100 foot, and I'd give out. Couldn't go. I'd have to stop and rest. Dr. Brown said, "Well, I'm the one with the skill saw." I said, "I told y'all I don't want that." Well, we finally talked it over and agreed if they get in there and they can't do it, to do it. That's all.
So they did it. They did it without cutting him open.
Yep.
After the surgery, they get you over to walk around. They had to slow him down because he was just going around and around.
I said, "You got to slow down, wait on us."
Get it checked. Definitely get it checked. And if you need TAVR, it's the way to go.